Hi guys, welcome to the workshop. I don't think I'm going to be building anything as such in this video, but what I do need to do is kind of organise the workshop a bit better. As you can see, I've got a pile of like scrap material, old cupboards and things just lying in the corner. More scraps. I've got some CLS timbers down there, some 4x2s, a load of long scraps of OSB and plywood, excuse me, which obviously I need to kind of sort out. So I think today's video is just going to be doing some of these niggly little jobs. Right, so the first thing I need to do is I had some of this, I think it's 3mm hardboard or backer board. So what I wanted to do was cut the thin strip down, which I've just done, and I'm gonna place that on top of my workbench. Let's see if I can fit this on here without too much trouble. Should be easy enough to do because it's quite flexible, this stuff anyway, so I probably measured it totally wrong, might not. I know. First fail of the day, even on a simple task like this. I cut it down lengthways. I haven't finished cutting it down, or should I say cut it down widthways, but not the other way.
A few moments later.
Shall we try that again, folks? Should be easy to fit because it's quite flexible. Not when you leave it 10 sizes too big. That'll do. Right guys, I've had a look round at the materials I've got lying about in my workshop, and I've got some of this 3x2 CLS timber. I think I've had this for about 3 years. So what I'm going to do is just make some simple brackets like this, which I can then put on the wall, just to store like a few lengths of 4x2 and smaller offcuts of OSB, ply, etc. Right, so now I've just got to put the bottom braces on. Job's a good one. See how much faith I have in my DIY skills, shall we? Watch the whole shed come down on top of me. Well, it's pretty much holding my weight. I'm 12 stone, 12.5 stone. So I think that's safe enough. And the main reason I was out here today was that I've basically, yes, there's a lot of it, but I've basically got all my offcuts and 4x2s and whatever off the floor and from the corner, and that's kind of unused space up there because I've got the table, like table saw table down here against that wall. Obviously I've got my mitre cabinet over there, so that was kind of an area where I don't really go. So like I said earlier on, I was going to put it on the higher side, but in the end, because of the way I've got my workshop laid out, that was the best option. So that is the progress.